By the grace of God and you people where they listen by my record, come my show, give me money to buy food for daily bread. Now they make me look young and getting that energy too. You know when you get food for belly, now you go to run, you go to dance, you go to do everything. Nice.
Congratulations to you, Baba King Sunny Ade. And Chief Evangelist Commander Ebenezer Obe, will they say many more years Baba God will add to your life?
Thank you.
Okay.
You too go grow.
Amen. Amen. In fact, my younger brother be your namesake.
Oh,
You won't be Ebenezer Obe too.
No, his name na Ebenezer.
Ebenezer, okay.
So when you know,
make a greet for me.
I go here. I go tell her say I meet legend. So I going. Okay, my people now they listen to Naija FM 102.7 with two heavy legends ready for inside the building, and the Oleku Concert will go shele on the 27th of May 2012, and it go feature Fatai Rolling Dollars. The person will go be the MC of the event now, Moses Olaya, aka Baba Salah. If them born you around that time, you go know who they call Baba Salah. Chief Commander Ebenezer Obe, they celebrate the 70th birthday, and Baba King Sunny Ade, they celebrate they mark 50 years on stage. And they say this concert now must watch, and he promised to be very entertaining for families, fans, and friends. So once again, to book your table or to buy your ticket, you must call 080-5941-6120 or 080-3310-8952 or come on office for number 26 Kefi Street, Ikoyi, Lagos to come buy your ticket. Where Babas, because two of them here, want to say thank you very much for the coming to Naija FM, and we wish you the very best for your career.
Thank you.
Thank you. We thank you very seriously.
Okay, God bless two of now.
Amen.
Okay, my people go take one bedu from KSA na usu na call